Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Standard 7th Mathematics, Chapter 10, Exercise 10.2 Practical Geometry. Constructing a triangle when the length of its three sides are known means when three sides are given. We can say this criterion like triple S congruent criterion, also we can say side and side criterion. So here in the first question, construct triangle XYZ in which XY is given 4.5 centimeter, YZ is given 5 centimeter, and ZX is given 6 centimeter. So we have to construct a triangle with three sides. So first, according to the first side, we can take this YZ as a 5 centimeter. First you can draw rough figure also how to construct this. So if you will draw like rough figure, so like this triangle it will come. So here we can give the name X, Y, Z. This is the rough figure to explain you how you have to construct. So this is 5 centimeter we can take, then XY we can take 4.5 centimeter, and ZX we have to take 6 centimeter. So this is your rough figure we have construct. Now according to this rough figure we have to construct that fair figure. Like first I will construct like this way. See, first I will draw YZ. YZ is equal to 5 centimeter, a line segment. So you can see this is your point, and here from here to here 5 centimeter we have to draw a line segment. Okay, and then and there we can give the name here YZ 5 centimeter. Clear? Now after this, what we have to do, stretch your compass. This is your compass, and stretch your compass Y as a center till Z 4.5 centimeter radius. So 4.5 centimeter we have to stretch a compass. So you know that after 5 lines, so this it will be your 4.5 centimeter. So stretch a compass 4.5 centimeter. This Y as a center, we have to draw one arc. Okay, Y as a center, we have to draw one arc like this way. You can see. Now Z as a center, you have to stretch ZX. They are telling 6 centimeters. So Z as a center, 6 centimeter radius we have to take. So from we will stretch a compass 6 centimeter radius. Okay, now Z as a center, 6 centimeter radius we have taken, and Z as a center we will draw one, we will intersect this previous arc at point. You will get here point, intersecting point, so we can give this name X on this intersecting point. Now you can join this X and Y like this way, and Z and X like this way. Clear? So now according to this, YZ 5 centimeter, XY 4.5 centimeter we have to write, and ZX we have to write 6 centimeter. This one we have taken. So this is your triangle XYZ we have made. Now next question. So we will take next one. See, in question number second is construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. So for that we can draw one rough figure like this way, and we can give any name. We can give here, I can give name A, B and C. So AB 5.5 we will take. Then all sides are equilateral triangle, so all sides we can take 5.5 centimeter. Now we will start constructing. So first of all we will draw one line segment. You can see here BC. BC we can take 5.5. So from here, after 5 lines. Okay, so it will come BC, B and C, 5.5 centimeter. Now same radius we have to take 5.5 centimeter only. Stretch your compass after 5 lines. Okay, so first we will take B as a center and draw one arc 5.5 centimeter. Same C as a center. Don't change the radius. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So same radius 5.5. Stretch a compass and intersect the previous arc. Now here you will get one intersecting point. This intersecting point I can give the name A. From this point A, we will join A and C line like this way. Then you will join A and B line like this way. Okay, so now we can give all lines this 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter. Clear? So this is your triangle, equilateral triangle with the side 5.5 centimeter. Now we will see question number 3rd. Draw triangle PQR with PQ 4 centimeter, QR 3.5 centimeter and PR 4 centimeter. What type of triangle is this? Okay, so here first of all we will draw one rough figure. You can see here PQR we can draw with the pencil. PQR rough figure, 4 centimeter two sides PQ and PR, and QR 3.5 centimeter we can take. Now we will start with the base or side. First I will draw one line segment QR 3.5 centimeter. You can see QR 3.5 centimeter. So here you can see after 5 lines. So QR I can draw 3.5 centimeter line segment. We can give QR right here 3.5 centimeter. Now after this we have to draw both two sides will be same PQ and PR. So stretch your compass 4 centimeter. So you can stretch your compass 4 centimeter. We have to draw one arc. So we can take Q as a center. Stretch your compass 4 centimeter and draw one arc like this way. Same. Now same, don't change the radius. R as a center intersect this previous arc. So you will get one intersecting point. This intersecting point you can give the name P. Okay, now join PQ and PR. PQ and PR. And this two sides we have taken 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is your triangle ready. And see, when two sides are equal, then we can say this is the isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle. Okay, we can say here they told you that what type of triangle is this when two sides are equal. So we can say yes, this is the isosceles triangle with 3 sides. Okay, now next is question number 4. Now question number 4 is given. Construct triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 2.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Measure angle B. So according to this measurement, we can draw one rough figure ABC. BC we can take according to the 6 centimeter, AC should be 6.5 and this AB 2.5. Okay, and we have to measure this angle B. So first of all we will start constructing. First we have to draw BC 6 centimeter. Draw one line segment BC 6 centimeter. So from here to here you can draw one line segment BC 6 centimeter. Then we can give name here B and C 6 centimeter. After this you can take C B as a center. Okay, B as a center, stretch a compass 2.5 centimeter. B as a center, stretch a compass 2.5 centimeter. After 5 lines are there. So after 5 lines. Okay, so this radius. Now 2.5 we have stretched a compass. Now B as a center we have to draw one arc like this way. Okay, now C as a center we have to take radius 6.5 centimeter. After 5 lines, so stretch a compass like this way. 6.5 we have to take the radius. Okay, so C as a center intersect the previous arc. Okay, now we will get one intersecting point, this, so we can give the name A. Okay, now we will join A and B like this way, and we will join A and C like this way. You can see. Now we can give the name AB. AB we can give the radius 2.5 we have taken, and from A to C we have taken 6.5 centimeter. Then and there you have to write the measurement. Now they are telling which measure angle B. So you can take your protractor and you can measure the angle B. What it is coming. See, measure angle B. So we can see this is, it is coming 90-degree angle. Okay, so we can write here, thus triangle ABC is the required triangle. On measuring we find that measure angle B is equal to 90-degree. We got. So this is the solution of this exercise. I hope you have understood. Thank you.